resume, what I've done is I have a very small contact information area. I write my name, my contact information, and my LinkedIn under it. And right under that, I write 3 lines as an objective. The objective could be plain and simple as professional looking to advance the objectives of the organization by leveraging my skills in branding and outreach, by having tangible results in growth and development for the institution. Now you see what I did. I mentioned professional looking to advance. So I am a professional looking to advance the objective of the organization. This is where I've already established the ground. The next thing I talk about is my key skills by using brand and outreach tools, right? Then I talk about what I want to achieve with you while applying for this role. So it would be growth and development for the institution, who I am, for whom I'm applying, what I bring, and what I intend to achieve. If you're an intern, you could very simply write, for example, third year student pursuing BA LLB with, or rather, I would say just drop BA LLB also. You could just write third year law student looking to explore opportunities in the field of, now assume you want to work in insolvency and bankruptcy laws, okay? Looking to explore opportunities in the field of insolvency and bankruptcy laws, and to leverage my strengths. Now, if you've done past internships, you can say leverage my strengths of my past experience and everything, right? If you don't have some fantastic internships, you can say leverage my strengths of dedicated, let's say, or self-motivated as an individual, and research, probably research, drafting, all of these would be very important for you as an intern, because that's what also a lot of you would be doing as junior associates or associates at a law firm, right? This is how your objective comes into play.